Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. I just received a package in the mail, so it is time to do a quick little model review and unboxing. So today I received the Southwest 737-700 in the Lone Star 1 paint scheme. Ordered this about a month ago, so it's great to finally get it in the mail. As you can see, I ordered it from Panda Fox Toys. They always give you this coupon code, which I don't think I've ever used, but it is very nice of them to do that. And yeah, so we'll just open this one up, take it out of the box. Box looks like your standard Southwest Gemini Jets box. Nothing really to go over there. So yeah, we'll open this one up and see what's inside. And upon opening up the box, initial look at the model looks great. I don't see any defects or anything at the moment. So just take it out of the box here. And yeah, looks great. Paint looks phenomenal. There does not seem to be any issue with the gear or anything. We will talk about the gear later on in this video, but yeah, really nice model. Glad I picked this one up. Kind of have to, because I'm trying to collect all these state liveries, as I think most people are. So yeah, we'll set that right there. It is a little bit tail heavy, just a bit, but that's really not. That's a 700 737-700 issue. So yeah, as you look at it, again, the gear height's a little bit off. It doesn't look too terrible, but it just could be a little bit better, you know. Yeah, so that is the Lone Star 1. We'll look at it in an in-depth review. Alright, so taking a look at this beautiful aircraft here, I'm very glad I picked this one up, again, as I said earlier. Now, I like this livery more than the Freedom 1. They're both similar paint schemes. I like this one a little bit more. But I am going to pick up Freedom 1 here from NG Models. This model does have really one and only issue, and that is the gear height. So as you can see, if I place this on the ground here, the gear is just a little too high. Panda models have been having this issue as well. NG has it better than Gemini Jets currently does. The front here just needs to be a little bit closer to the ground here. So if the nose is about where my fingernail is, I think it would be just a lot better. Again, it doesn't look terrible. Model's still pretty nice, and I don't personally have too big of an issue with it. If there's a jet bridge in front of it, you're not going to notice. So I can definitely see why people would be a little bit annoyed, as I kind of am myself. But again, not a giant issue in my book. If you okay, good. I thought that was loose. If you look at it, this wing over here is way too high. It needs to get brought down a little bit, as well as the cockpit windows just look a little bit off from the front. Just they could use a bit better job. Yeah. Again, the wing flex is too much here, but aside from that, everything else does look very nice. I'll show you guys the bottom of the plane. So just a red and white finish, looks really nice. I'm glad they made this one. I just need them to make the if they could release the New Mexico one with the updated tail, that would be really nice. And yeah, I need someone to release the New Mexico one and the updated tail, the Missouri one, and then if someone would release the Nevada one with winglets, I would have all of the state liveries. So that would be really nice. But yeah, hopefully that happens. Great model by Gemini Jets. I would recommend it if you haven't already picked this one up, just for collection purposes. But yeah, as soon as I do collect all of the state liveries, I will be making a video on it. And yeah, so this is a great model by Gemini Jets. As I said, highly recommend it. And just a great overall one for the collection. So thank you guys for watching this. Hope you did enjoy it, learn something from it. I hope this helped you make your decision as to if you're going to pick this model up. And yeah, that's really going to do it for me. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. God bless.